Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski. Today we'll continue with building financial model of a brick factory from scratch, and today we will continue working with revenue generating algorithm. So if you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order financial model from scratch for your unique business idea. We can help you with that. So let's move forward. At the previous video, we've created the block of inputs for allocation the amount of bricks that we are selling to this or that customer type. We created the algorithm describing how each type of customer will pay us. So for the first month, they will pay us this percentage of revenue. On the second month, next month, they will pay us 0. So we created the algorithm for that. We created the pricing, different pricing for different types of customers. We created the coefficient to make us easily play with the scenarios later. Now let's add, we may also have some seasonality in pricing. So here we just, we can create the typical year. This will be the typical year. And here I will just create in percentages the way price. So this is the basic price, and we will create the seasonality. So this will be the inputs. We are coloring them with blue. For example, in January we have 80% of prices of this basic price. Then, for example, 85, 90, 100%, 110. For example, this will be a little bit increase in summer months because there is a high season for construction works, for example. So for example, or we may have no seasonality, we may have different seasonality algorithms for different types of customers, for different type of bricks. Here we can adjust seasonality story. So we may have different seasonality in price. So what we will do now, we will put this seasonality in pricing inside the timeline. So I'll just create the table. Price seasonality. Now we'll put customer types here. This is the end of this table. And now this will be the percentage format. I will put these values from here. I will do like this. I will extrapolate the second and the third years from the first one. I'm searching for DQ column, so this is the end of our timeline. Here it is. And now I will have to calculate the revenues. The revenues step 1, let's call it step 1. So this will be the year.
The year will be a number format. Number. Okay. So what will be the formula? So I will take
the sales plan for the brick number 1.
Then I will multiply it on the percentage of allocation.
I will freeze the column. I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 numbers. Then I will multiply it on final price, with all coefficients added, and then I will multiply it on this coefficient of seasonality of price. But I will take this coefficient not from this table, but from the table that I've created earlier, this, and then press enter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then he will have the next customer. This will be the next brick. So I'm going up. So here we are moving to the next brick. Here, and we have to move to the next brick here. Press enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one. Then we are doing the same for the brick type number 3. And now we are doing this exercise for the whole amount of brick types. Four, 5, 6 will be the 6th. 7th. 8. This will be, there is 8. 8. 9. 9. And the last one, the 10th. Now I will extrapolate this formula right. So now we have our revenue divided in different customer types.
So here are the formats, revenue by format, then we'll have revenue by customer type. So the next video will be devoted to creation of detailed payment schemes for different types of customers. So now we have just totals, but now we have to allocate the numbers that we have inside three months ahead from the current moment. So for example, here we have 100% 0 0, 50 50 0. If we go to our table that we just created, for example, if we look at these numbers, this will mean that 100% of this amount we will get in this month. But for example, this amount, 50% of this value we will get in November, and 50% of this value we will get in December. And for example, from this value we will get only 30% here, then 20% here, and 50% here. And the same story with all these numbers. We have to allocate them in the right way in time to create the system of payments. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order financial model from scratch for your unique business idea. We can help you with that. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.